Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what's in my skincare fridge. My new skincare fridge that I got from Walmart. There's a close-up of it. It's by Frigidaire and it's a retro mini. I believe it comes in, well I have black. It comes in black, pink, light blue, and red. But black goes with my room, so I got it in black. I was almost going to get it in pink, because that's like, I don't know, reminds me of skincare and beauty, but I don't know, it just wouldn't have fit. Everything, all my furniture in this room is black, so black it is. I believe I got this fridge for $20. I think it might have been cheaper last year or earlier this year, because with time, who the heck knows, it could have really been this year. It's been the longest year ever. So I don't know if it's on sale still, but I'll link it down below just in case you want to check it out. Also, I love these pajamas. It's so festive. I'm coming at you in pajamas and freshly washed face, because this is about what's in my skincare fridge, so I think it makes sense. I think I'm going to wear it again for Christmas. It reminds, I don't know, it makes me think of Home Alone. And it has a cute little pocket right here, so I can carry my phone inside. So I'm going to take it out the box for you. Here it is, super small. Oh, it even comes with a little handle. Perfect for displaying. So I can hold it up and show you guys. So it's about the size, I'm gonna say it's the size of my head, but it just fits perfectly, comfortably on my shoulder. The cord, I guess, there's nothing else in the box. I guess it's on the inside. This is in like a lock. How do you open this? Oh, yep. Inside. That's what it looks like. And this is my cord that I thought I was about to have to go to Walmart and complain about. So that's what it looks like on the inside. What's crazy is the inside of this fridge is actually cold. And it's not even on yet. So the back is where the plugs go. And it has an on and off switch. Supposedly this is a bigger one. I mean, I can't even imagine what this looks like smaller. I think they have, the other one is a 6 can. Supposedly, like, I guess they measure in cans. This holds 9 cans, and the other one I think holds 6, I believe. But yeah, this is like the perfect size. I can't imagine a smaller one. I mean, I guess I can. I mean, how much skincare can you have? But you can have a lot of skincare. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put inside this bad boy. So one of the first things I'm gonna put inside of my new skincare fridge are my beauty tools from my Dollar Tree haul. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it right here or there or whatever, so you can go watch that video. But I have a jade roller and I have an under eye moisturizer. I'm just gonna open it real quick. So I'm gonna put these in my fridge because this is gonna be great and have a great cooling sensation. It's already kind of cool. It's metal, so that's for that. And then my jade roller for my face. I'm gonna put these in the fridge. Next, I'm going to put in all of my sheet masks. I mentioned in my Dollar Tree video that I bought a face mask that was in a box because it looked luxurious. I had no idea that there were 3 masks inside. Like, my God, what a steal. So I'm going to put all my sheet masks that I have in there. So that's going to be cooling and soothing on my face. I also have the Summer Fridays jet lag mask, which probably will be really great in the fridge. I usually use this overnight so that I sleep in this one, so this would be like a cool, soothing overnight mask that I can sleep in. I feel like maybe I should have went in order of use of products, but you know, whatever. The next thing I want to put in there is a toner. I'm halfway through it. This is from Sephora. This is the Gentle pH Balancing Toner, and I read that toners are good in the fridge, so I'm going to put this in there. But just in case you're interested in what it looks like. I also have the Sephora eye cream that I'm going to put in the fridge. That's what it looks like. I actually stopped using it for a while because I felt like under my eyes was getting like really red, but I was using it morning and night, so now I'm just going to use it. I started using it just at night, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, it says that it has like natural products, but I mean, it has hyaluronic acid, which I use from The Ordinary. I have the serum for that and niacinamide. But that doesn't bother my face, but for some reason, I get red under my eyes. Maybe it'll help now that it's going to be in the fridge. Who knows? I'm also going to put this facial spray in there. Also got from the Dollar Tree. I actually want to go get the Mario Badescu one because I really do enjoy that one. I'm going to get another one of those out too. I'm going to put those in the fridge. Well, this in the fridge because I don't have the other one yet. I actually ran out of that one. Was in the Dollar Tree, saw this and got it. But I'm still going to go back to my Mario Badescu because I love it. I've used this a little bit and so far so good. I mean, nothing has happened to my face as of yet. It smells just like cucumber with a hint of aloe, which is what it is. I also have this hydrating skin mask from Garnier and it has aloe juice in it. And I'm going to put that inside of the fridge as well. There's like good things to put in the fridge is stuff with like vitamin C and with aloe. So I'm going to put this in there. I'm going to go on Amazon and order me some more. And these are the Blink Tears that I've been using since I had my PRK surgery. These are really good when they're in like cold in the fridge, and especially because it's so cold out and I have like the heat on. My eyes get so dry these days, and I want to go to the doctor and ask about it, but I guess because it's elective surgery and we are in this pandemic, they're all temporarily closed, so I can't really speak to anyone about it. I guess I can go to my normal eye doctor, but I want to go to my doctor for LASIK. Like, I want to go to her. Not saying that this guy, my eye doctor, won't know what he's talking about, but I don't want to ask him. I want to ask her. So I'm going to put these in my fridge as well. I also have this mini cleansing water that I'm going to put in my fridge. That's what it looks like. Especially on days where I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, like I have on like a little eye makeup and like my brow, some mascara. I use this on a cotton round and just wipe it right off and then continue with washing my face. So I'm going to put this in the fridge because this can be soothing, especially around the eye area. And the last thing I'm going to add is this coconut water facial moisturizer by Palmer's. This is good to put gel moisturizers in there, and this is like, there you go. And this is like a jelly. It's not like a cream. I can put it's like bouncing. And this is all that I picked up because it's a gel. Don't want to waste any product. Rub that in. So that completes this video. I know it was a really short one, but I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you have anything that you have in your skincare fridge that you want to suggest to me, make sure you leave it down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.